Let's begin by looking at CFC Stanbic. Now, reports from Renaissance Capital says the bank posted some strong results. That's up 151% profit before tax. How's the stock reacting to that news?
Well, it's not official from the company about the results, but definitely the company responded to the earnings growth. And at the end of trading, we saw an overhang of shares, which means that investors are still looking for the stock.
Let's look at KCB. That's another counter that has been experiencing a bit of a steady fall recently. How did the stock perform today? And, what are the issues that are top on investors' minds as we, look at how that share is currently performing?
Well, KCB has, after the announcement of the rights issue, the price has seen mixed reactions. The price, first of all, went up, then it's been going down continuously, which I can speculate is possibly because investors want to sell and buy at lower prices. But at this level, I guess there's a lot of speculation as to what the discount on the rights might be, and investors are sort of selling, and they hope to buy back cheaper. And we are seeing the price going down, and it will stop probably at close to the rights issue announcement.
Now, another counter that's been experiencing a couple of tough months is Access Kenya as well. Reports say the boardroom wars, the negative cash flow is negatively impacting that particular counter. What's your analysis of exactly what's going on in Access Kenya, and how do you expect this to impact that counter?
Really, it's not very clear what's happening because the company has not announced anything really detrimental, but there was an announcement by the company about the changes in the board, postponement to the AGM, postponing the dividend payout. So probably some investors who are expecting a dividend payout are probably selling and putting the position as a stock, given that they will not receive the dividend as early as they expected.
Kestrel Capital, finally we saw the price go up for the first time in 3 days. They came out strongly yesterday to assure investors that everything is in order. What's happening currently?
Well, Kestrel Capital is interesting. After the share split was announced, the price initially reacted by going up. There was a mini rally on the stock price, and now the price seemed to weaken after the announcement about the KPC, after the court struck out the appeal on Kestrel Capital about the Kenya Pipeline Company. But then today we saw the stock gaining again because investors are accumulating on the price dips, and we hope these might continue in the next few days.
And how about Safaricom? We've seen it close at 5 shillings and 65 cents today. It's been hovering between 5 shillings 60, 5 shillings 90, at least looking between Monday and today. We're expecting the full year results anytime from now. How do you see investors reacting to Safaricom going forward? Definitely
the stock will, as time goes by near the earnings announcement, the stock will be more active. That's what we expect. But definitely there have been profit takers in the market who've been selling. But again, investors, both foreign and local, have been seeking positions on the stock, and they've been accumulating aggressively on these price dips. So as we draw closer to the results announcement on 26th May, we expect investors to start trading upwards. So it's very likely that the stock will appreciate towards the results announcement.